Hello, this is Miss Foot Fixer. If you want to be notified for my next video, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell button. Hi guys, it's me again. We have this lovely patient here where we're going to remove this lovely little tiny toe that we have anesthetized it. Dr. Kenny did that. Sorry I didn't record it. I actually went to the outlet. We went to the outlet. It's not that. You said it was like okay. It's okay. He bought some stuff for ASOS. It was okay.
So when they opened it,
yeah,
it was probably about 4 shops there when I was there. So they didn't really have a lot.
Have you been recently?
No, I haven't. So I might go tomorrow. Well, depends how this goes.
What is there? What is there now in the shop?
There's Lidl, the chocolate maker.
Oh,
and a Hotel Chocolat is there as well.
Yeah, you told me about Hotel Chocolat. Yeah,
Hotel Chocolat was there.
Yeah.
So Lind is that
Lind,
Lind?
Yeah,
Lind. Yeah,
there's a Link shop now.
I've recently discovered is amazing.
You have one you recently discovered?
I've never had Lind chocolate.
Kenny doesn't eat
It's
that
amazing.
much chocolate until recently.
And now I can't stop eating.
Now you can stop
because
eating.
they're amazing.
Please tell me you don't eat milk chocolate. You eat dark chocolate.
I eat dark chocolate.
Okay.
She likes.
I like any chocolate. I like any chocolate. Any chocolate.
Sugar, give me anything.
Yeah, give me anything.
I wonder if Lint is going to pay us some advertising fees of the YouTube video.
Exactly. Stubborn, right?
Stubborn, thick.
Yeah.
Maybe
I should have just filed it. Oh no, it's going.
It's going. Yeah, no, it's fine. I'd rather you have a full intact nail.
Ah, okay.
It's easier to remove than it's when it's really, really tiny and small.
Ah, I see. Yeah.
So what other shops out there? There's a...
So they had Gant there when I was there.
Okay.
They had Gap.
Yeah.
Gap was a bit ridiculous.
Yeah, we didn't even go into that.
Yeah, it was, yeah.
You told me about it, I didn't even go
Yeah,
into
it looked like a warehouse and full of like old clothes. It was just like not right the way it looked. They had G-Star Raw, so
yeah,
these jeans I think they're from G-Star Raw, but these are really old. But that's why I was quite excited actually when I saw it there because they do fantastic jeans.
Did you go in?
No, I didn't because I had my daughter with me, so she was like playing up. So I didn't really want to add to her misery already.
There's a lot of shops now. This is the toy shop, the bear shop. Was it there?
Okay, so they must have opened.
Yeah, there's quite. Yeah, so when we went there, I was surprised because you told me that there wasn't that much there.
There wasn't that much. Yeah, exactly.
And there's there's this cosmetic cheap like travel size.
Oh yes, I saw that. Yeah, that was.
We got some presents there.
Did they have like any of the high street shops there? Like Massimo Dutti?
No,
they didn't, yeah.
No. They said, I asked the ASOS people, they said that Adidas, Nike.
Okay, they're going to be there.
Yeah, they're going to be there. Ted Baker, was it there before?
No, it wasn't.
Yeah, so Ted Baker is...
Oh yeah. My God, so my friend, she lives in California. She will go mental because she loves Ted Baker. And then they only recently opened it in California.
Oh really?
And then they charge extortionate amount of money for it.
Oh wow, that's...
Because it's British and obviously they're importing everything. So they have to... I mean, it's similar to obviously for the American brands when they come here, like obviously your Michael Korsas and everything else. So that's why like they just have to charge you that much money. So if and when I tell her that, she's
gonna come and stay.
No, she's gonna ask me like, can you buy me that?
Because the outlets are relatively what was it? 20-30% cheaper, I think. Because they have that really nice coat. Yeah. Well, I've seen a lot of people wear that coat. You know the purple one?
The Ted Baker, which one?
Yeah, the what is it? The long one? You know the one that you wanted me to get? Not the, what is it? Not
Can't remember.
Ted Baker?
Yeah, Ted Baker. It's like long, it's got the waist strap with the little gold plate on the side. You see, you probably see it.
Really? Okay.
Yeah, but everybody has it. I wanted to buy it last year.
Ah, okay.
And it was there too. So I'm just cleaning it up, just making sure that it's
how deep does the nail go? Into
quite deep, probably
okay.
up to here.
Ah, okay. So that's why like you have to go right into it.
Yeah,
okay.
because we want to make sure we want to clean everything.
Clean everything. Yeah.
If you want to be notified for my next video, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell button.